Zonamerica, a platform that connects your company with the world. Located in Cali, we provide offices with world-class infrastructure, offering scalability, flexibility, security, and well-being environments. With services that facilitate the growth of your company and team, a campus focused on business and economic development of the region. More than 10,000 square meters built, including offices, collaborative spaces, common areas, commercial premises, multiple parking spaces, and charging points for electric vehicles. Our business park holds international LEED certification thanks to our sustainable and low environmental impact perimeters. Companies operating in Zonamerica are part of a special free trade zone regime that allows them to access tax and custom incentives, achieving higher levels of competitiveness. We offer top-notch technology with over 12 telecommunication operators providing services via fiber optics and satellite, ensuring fast, stable, and reliable connectivity. The Tier 4 neutral data center hosts servers, storage equipment, and customer networks. We have monitoring service that guarantees problem-free functionality 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your company should be in Zonamerica. We are the place to develop innovation and creativity. Get to know more about Zonamerica on our website, zonamerica.com, and schedule your visit to the campus.